how to change song in Instagram post. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can change a song in Instagram post, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you would like to change the songs in Instagram post, you open up the Instagram application. Let's say in the past you happen to actually post something with a, let's say, a music, and now if you tap the three dots option and then you go to the edit option, you can see there is no option to turn off that music, or there is not really option to actually go ahead and then change the song. In order to do this process, this must be done before posting that particular post. When you select the post and then you tap the next option, you tap the next option again, here you'll find the add music option. Here when you tap on add music option, you should be able to select a music of your choice and then tap the share option to share it to other people as well. This way you should be able to go ahead and then basically change song in Instagram post. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.